Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing accessories, safety first. Use a plastic pry tool and a precision screwdriver to open the case. This prevents cracking plastic. As you open, look for burned components, detached wires, or corroded battery terminals. These are common failure points. Once the shell is off, gently lift the PCB to expose solder joints and connectors. Make sure to keep screws organized, because mismatched parts later can cause alignment issues. This step saves time when reassembling. You now diagnose the core electronics. First, measure the battery voltage, 3. 7V is typical for a single-cell Li-ion. If it's far lower, the battery may be dead. Then check continuity on the speaker driver and amplifier. A shorted amp or open voice coil explains silence or distortion. Next, examine solder joints at the USB charge port, power switch, and LED board. Cold joints crack over time. If you find a bad joint, reflow with a soldering iron. This restores proper contact and often fixes intermittent faults. You perform repairs now. Replace a swollen battery with the correct 3. 7V cell, swap a blown driver, or reflow suspect joints using flux for better wetting. Once components are secured, reconnect ribbon cables and test Bluetooth pairing, audio playback, charging, and LED functions. Make sure to test at least 10 minutes to confirm stability. Finally, reassemble the housing carefully, keeping screw torque moderate. If you still have issues, try a new amp module or temporary bench power to isolate whether the battery or electronics are at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.